If you're struggling to make sales on Pinterest, you're posting the pins, you may be getting views, but you're not getting sales and clicks, it's probably your pin designs that are letting you down. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create viral pins that actually convert to sales. So let's start with what it actually means to go viral on Pinterest. I got serious about selling digital products 18 months ago, but I also completely burned out on social media trying to promote my digital products and trying to make sales. Okay, I knew that I wanted that online business selling low ticket digital products because I loved the taste of the freedom that I was getting, but the problem was I was so over posting on social media and not getting results and not going viral. Everyone says just go viral. I couldn't go viral and I wasn't making sales. But when I found Pinterest, it absolutely changed the game, but it was only because I learned how to stop treating it like a vision board and start turning it into a cash machine. And I did that by mastering the art of viral pins. Now, going viral on Pinterest is not the same as going viral on social media. Social media is all about getting millions of views, but you also then have to cross your fingers and hope that they actually turn into sales. So not only is it like 1 in a million videos that might go viral, when you get that viral video on social media, it doesn't mean you're actually going to get sales from it. And views, they don't pay the bills. And it's kind of the same thing on Pinterest when you treat it like a vision board, okay? So if you're not using it the right way, if you're not creating your pins the right way, you may end up getting a lot of views, but then you're getting no clicks. And that is not how Pinterest works as a cash machine. If you want it to make sales, if you actually want to make money on Pinterest, get paid to post your pins, you need to turn Pinterest into your traffic machine. That means that it is bringing people to the page where you are selling your digital product so that you can make sales and you can make money. Okay, so that's the difference. Pinterest is the cash machine, loads of clicks, people coming to your landing page, and then they buy your digital products. Okay, but to do this, you need clicks, and there's essentially 4 key reasons why people will actually click on your pins. Number 1 is clarity. They need to know immediately who your pin is for and what it is. Okay, so good examples of this are like step by step, checklist 4, how to do this without doing that. Those are the things that make people see, okay, this pin is for me and I know exactly what this pin is doing. The second thing is the payoff, right? They want an outcome that feels specific and feels worth it. So your audience are thinking, well, what do I get if I click? People don't actually click on pins because they're pretty. Yeah, they might save it, but they click on it when they think they're going to get something out of it, when it promises a clear outcome. And just so you know, guys, I'm going to show you real life pin examples showing these strategies that I'm talking you through right now. Most people don't do this, they'll just talk you through the strategy, but I'm going to show you the examples. So we're going to cover the 4 key things. We've covered 2 already, clarity and payoff. We're going to cover the next 2 and then we're going to get into the examples, okay? So back to the 4 key things. The next one is curiosity. People need to think, wait, what? How is this working? That kind of interest that your pin has to create, that curiosity, that is honestly the number 1 thing that gets people to click. And so examples of this is pins that are like, you're doing something wrong, do this instead, or the mistakes that's killing your insert niche, or I tried insert thing so you don't have to. Okay, these are great examples and I'm going to show you my pin examples. But the last key reason is trust and ease. If your pin looks legit, the next step is very obvious and it feels low risk. When people click on it, they feel safe. So examples of this can be download a free guide, watch my tutorial, or when you actually give them a mock-up of what they're going to get when they click, that makes people feel safe to click, right? So there's a difference between being curiosity, but also feeling safe, feeling like it's an outcome that they can trust. Okay, so now let's get into some real examples, because I don't just want to give you the strategy. I want you to be able to see what it actually looks like in practice. Now, you might notice a lot of people that do Pinterest videos on YouTube, they don't actually show you their pins. All right? I don't know if you've noticed that. I definitely have, but I'm going to show you my pin examples for each of the 4 click triggers that I showed you. Okay, so you can see how it comes to life. You can see what makes people actually want to click on a pin, because remember, when you get clicks, you get traffic to your digital product, and traffic equals sales all the time. All right, so now let's pull up some of my pins. Okay, so this is my first pin that I want to show. This is an example of the curiosity trigger, right? So you can see here I've got a text that says how I made £16,000 selling digital products without social media. Now, this without social media actually isn't really visible enough, so if I was to do this again, I would make this way clearer. You can see that I'm showing my face. I don't show my face on all of my pins, but I have started to show my face to build my personal brand. So make the decision on whether you want to go faceless or faced. It works well in each way, and I'm going to show you examples of both. But you can see how curiosity driving that is. How I made £16,000 selling digital products, right? A lot of people, if you're interested in selling digital products, they're going to be curious. Okay, how did she do it? What did she do? And so this pin has done really well. I've got lots of versions of this same pin, but this pin by itself has had over 3,000 impressions, over 300 clicks, and 17 saves in the last month. Okay, that's just the last 30 days. This is quite an old pin, so you can see that this pin is performing really well. It's really curiosity driving. You got my title here, which is how I made $16,000 selling digital products without using social media. Now, I've only just started to add my name to my titles. You don't have to do that. That is because I'm very established on Pinterest. A lot of people will just use the same titles as me, so this is how I just add a bit of personality to my titles, but you do not need to do that as a newbie. Okay, and so you can see here I've got a description, I've got links in my description, I've got a ton of keywords. Okay, this is how you get your pins found. If you want to learn more about keywords, watch my 90-day challenge video after this. Okay, so this is an example of a curiosity driving pin, right? So now let's move on to the next one. So this one is an example of a payoff pin. So again, using my face. Like I say, I've only started using my face recently. These ones are doing really well, but I didn't used to use my face, and I was still able to walk away from my 9-to-5 job and go full-time selling digital products thanks to Pinterest. Pinterest made it possible. So this one is actually doing really well. In the last 30 days, it's got over 4,000 impressions, over 200 clicks, and 11 saves, which is great. Very similar style. As you can see, here's me, here's my text, here's my little script. By the way, I do give you these templates inside Pin Perfection, which is my Pinterest marketing tool. And so I'll show you that in a minute, because it can help speed up pin creation. Like, I make all of my pins with Pin Perfection. Here you can see it's a payoff, right? Social media content creators guide, basically saying if you click this, you're going to be able to download my content creators guide for busy creators. A really clear payoff. And you can see here, you know, I say basically what to post if you're busy entrepreneurs in 5 hours a week. Learn how to plan and batch create a full week of engaging social media posts in just 5 hours using a simple weekly theme strategy. This really worked for me, this strategy, by the way, when I was doing more social media. When I do more again, I will use the same strategy. So this is a blog post. It's completely like free value, and people can see that there's a clear payoff when they click this pin. So you might be thinking, okay, Rochelle, like, well then how do you monetize? Okay, so when people click this pin, they come through to my blog post, and it's here that I'm monetizing. So I'm actually giving them freebies, and when they download my freebies, they come onto my email list, and that is where I do a lot of my marketing. I get a lot of my sales through emails. And then you can see, like, I'm giving tons of value here as well, but I'm also selling something on this page. So I'm also selling my content bundle. It's a really cheap bundle. I should actually take this down, like $3.99, so cheap. You guys should grab it if you haven't haven't already, I'm so cheap, but like I'm monetizing this page in that way. And then I do have funnels upselling people on my digital products. So that is how I'm monetizing this piece of content, but it's doing really, really well. So now let's move on to the next example. This one is a clarity example, okay? It is really clear who this pin is for, how to make money selling digital products as a complete beginner. If you are a complete beginner to digital products, you know straight away that this pin is for you, okay? So this is what I mean by clarity. It's so clear who the pin is for and what the pin is doing, right? It's telling you how to start making money as a beginner, right? So this pin doing amazingly. Last 30 days, 12,000 impressions. Go girl. Okay, so doing amazingly. And you can see here, this is a faceless pin. This is not me. I have created this using AI and using my pin perfection prompts, okay? So this is an example. 12,000 impressions, not my face. You could do this faceless. And it's the same thing, you know, this is one of my older pins. I don't have rochellebe in the title. Like I say, you do not need rochellebe in the title. Should probably stop doing that because I'm actually getting a lot more impressions without it. And you can see here my description. What does this go through to? How am I monetizing this pin? It's going through to a freebie. Pinterest is so good for freebies. Like, you can get people to buy your product straight out, of course you can, but what I find is actually more profitable is to get people on my email list and then to convert them from email. And I'm actually have a new marketing video. If it's up already, I'll link it here because you're gonna love it. It's gonna be a full course. But you can see here, I'm bringing them through to my freebie, then I'm sending them emails to convert them into sales, right? So now let's do the last example. This is an example of a trust pin, okay? So trust and ease. What do we say about trust and ease? You make it a simple, safe choice for someone to click on your pin. So here I'm saying step by step how to start selling digital products with zero experience. Download for free. Okay, so there's zero risk in this. They're going to click on it. They're going to get something they can download for free. I've built the trust because I've said, right, even if you've got zero experience, and I've put a mock-up here as well. I'm actually showing my product here. Okay, I'm showing my product so they know exactly what to expect. So this one pin has had over 8,000 impressions, over 150 clicks in the last 30 days. You can see this is all last 30 days, right? This is an old pin, so it's going to have more than that overall. And then you can see here, I go into even more detail in the title and description. I say, you don't need another course or tutorial to start selling digital products, even as a complete beginner with no experience. This free passive income blueprint gives you the simple steps to go from digital product idea to sale. So I will actually leave the link to this freebie down below. Please check your junk. Okay, if you don't get the freebie straight away, please check your junk, but you will get it. Lots of people get it. Lots of people reply to me telling me how good this blueprint is to get started. Okay, and so again, let me just show you where this goes, just in case you're curious. It goes to the same page, yeah, so it's the same freebie. This freebie works really well for me actually. And then, like I say, I convert people in the emails. Now, you might be wondering, well, how the hell do you create all of this pin content? I create all of my pin content in 2 hours, usually on a Sunday or a Saturday morning, okay? And this is what I use. This is my Pinterest marketing tool. It's called Pin Perfection. It's got 5-star reviews for a reason. It's so good. Now in here, I actually created a whole AI that will create all the content on your pins. So like all of this title here that you see, like if you're wondering what text you put on your pins, this is what I use Pin Perfection for. I also give you my 15 most viral templates. This is gold, okay? You do not have to start from scratch. You can just customize my templates post. You get a keyword tracker and you get a checklist and a masterclass. So if you are struggling to create pin content that people actually click on, that actually brings in sales, then you should start creating these 4 types of pins that I've given you. And you should if you can, also grab Pin Perfection to help you speed up your content creation, your pin. And so now you know what it takes to turn your Pinterest pins from just getting views to actually turning it into a cash machine where you get clicks, traffic, and sales, right? But now you need your full Pinterest strategy so you can make sure that your customers can easily find your pins so they can buy from you without you having to post every day. Now, I broke down the entire strategy, how to set up your profile, how to optimize it, how to make sure people can find you, and I gave you a 90-day success plan in this video on your screen right now. I highly recommend you watch it, and I'll see you there.